Yes, students, in this video we'll be covering the point from a this till a year with one problem. So capital asset purchased before or prior what we call 1 for 2001, how we have to treat it. Okay, so it is left to the assessee which one he has to take, but whichever is higher he has to take it, so that it will be beneficial for him for taxation purpose. Okay, so that is what fair market value, or either he can choose a, okay, at purchase price. So whichever is higher he has to take it. Now we'll just go with an example. Tejasvi of Bihar had purchased a house property at a cost of rupees 80,000 in 1989. The fair market value for as on 1 for 2001 was 2 lakh. He sold this house for 16/11/2019 for rupees 21 lakh. So of course this is a LTCG problem because of so many years. Okay, it is more than 36 months. So the cost inflation index for so and so is 100. For 1920 it is 289. Compute the capital gain for 2020-21. So full value of consideration always we have to take, that is sales price 21 lakhs he sold it for. So less index cost of acquisition, we have to calculate now taking into consideration both. So that is what your 80,000, okay, that is 89 1989. How we have to calculate now? Okay, cost of acquisition into, that is price, into 289, that is what CII for the year of what now, CII for the year of sale, divided by what now, CII for the year of acquisition. So 89 ka how much is cost inflation index, we have to check. Okay, so it will be what, it will be 2001 and 9, we have 1 and 2 we have to take, because in this there was no cost inflation index. So we have to take this cost inflation index, that is 100. So 80,000 into 289 divided by 100, so it will come down to 2,31,200. Then taking fair market value, so that is what, 2 lakhs, that is 289, that is year of sale, divided by this only we have to take after that. Okay, if it is particular CII we have to take accordingly, but for this we have to take 100 itself. So that is what, 100, it will be 5,78,000. So out of this whichever is higher he has to take it that, so that will be good for him. So this less this one will be how much, 15,22,000. So long term capital gain on this he has to pay what, the tax. If he would have taken this, it would have been more to be paid. So whichever is higher he has to take it. So that is what we have to do, calculate with respect to this point. This is an example, this has come for 5 marks. Students, please check with it, okay, and accordingly solve it in your book. Thank you.